what you can see on my account right now is 15 USDT. Now how I make earnings from this platform is that when I move down to where it says quantify, I'm just going to click on quantify, and this is going to generate an income for me for just today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you what you also can do to get a generated income right in this platform. But first of all, before I proceed with this video, let me quickly go ahead placing a withdrawal of what I just generated on my account. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. When you look at my account, you can actually see that I have 15 USDT. Now what you just want to do is to come down to your home. So once you click on home, you just have to come down to where you can actually find some of these packages right here. You can actually see the quantitative investing. Okay, so what you just want to do is to go ahead to click on this particular one. So you're going to be seeing click to unlock. Okay, so right now you're going to be seeing the full details of what you're actually unlocking on this platform. You can actually see the profit ratio, the minimum unlock amount, which is the 15 USDT. So right now what I just need to do is to click here to unlock, and it's going to ask you the first choice for getting started. You only need 15 to 149 USD to start an intelligent quantitative journey of 15% daily income. Now what you just need to do is to click on confirm, and it's going to ask you approve the level of quantitative robot. So just go ahead to click on confirm. You can actually see that VIP unlocked is successful. Now when you go back to your account, you can actually see that you have actually unlocked this package on your account. The next thing you want to do is to come down to where it says quantify. So once you go over to quantify, you can actually see that quantitative benefit requires at least amount of 15 USD, which we have actually unlocked on our account. Now just click start to quantify, and it's going to generate you an income for the day. Okay, so all you just have to do is to wait for this to generate you the income for today. As you can see right now that we just got an income of 2.25 USD right on our account, and I'm going to be placing the withdrawal right in front of you. And so since you've quantified, the next thing you want to do is to come over to the home button where you're going to be finding the withdrawal button right. Okay, so right now you're going to be seeing the withdrawal button. All you just have to do is to click on withdraw, and it's going to take you over to this interface. And so right now you can actually see that we can withdraw using the TRX or the BEP20 USDT. So what we just need to do is to insert the actual amount we want to withdraw, which is the 2.25 USDT. So once this is done, the next thing we want to do is to insert our BEP20 wallet address, and you can just put in, and we're going to put in our security password right here. Now you're going to be seeing that we are going to be receiving the actual amount of 2.25 USDT. Now before going ahead to place a withdrawal on your account, you can just come down to read down this reminder of the withdrawal note, so you can know what to expect when placing withdrawals. And so after going through all these notes, the next thing you want to do is to come down to click on confirm, and we're going to be receiving the actual amount of 2.25 USD. As you can see, withdrawal success. So I'll be showing you the withdrawal proof from this platform. And so we just received the credited amount of 2.25 USDT. As you can see the details of this transaction. Now before you can proceed in owning an account on this platform, you need to get registered. Now when you go ahead clicking the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. Now you can actually register with an email address or a mobile number, but I prefer you go with the email address. Then put in the email address right here, put in a login password, then confirm this password. Also put in a security password. Now confirm the security password, then come down and hit the register button, and your account will be created right on this platform. And so guys, immediately you get your account created on this platform, this is the interface you'll be brought to. Now this interface, you can actually see the several icons right here. We have the agent corporation, the recharge, the withdrawal, the invite friends, team, and news. Now all you have to do right now is to come down to where you can actually find the quantitative investing. Now these are segments of what can actually give you generated income on your account. This income actually varies from depending on how you actually invest on this platform. Now when you go ahead to click on this particular one, the first one is going to show you that the minimum unlock amount is the 15 USDT. Now when you come down to the second one right here, let's close this. So when you come down to the second one right here and click on it, the VIP2, is going to show you that you can unlock this for 150 USDT. Now, to be clear on this, when you come to your home right here, you can actually see that this segment actually has the quants and bots of VIP1. We have the VIP2, the VIP3, VIP4, down to several VIPs right on this platform. Now, before you can go ahead to have access to all these VIP, you will need to confirm which VIP you actually want to go for. Then once that is confirmed, the next thing you want to do is to come over to your account, where you can actually find the recharge button. Now, this recharge button allows you to recharge the exact amount you want to use on your account. So what you just want to do right now is to come over to recharge, and it's going to bring you over this interface. Now, these are networks that are allowed on this platform: the TRC20 USDT, the TRX BEP20 USDT, the BNB, which is the Binance, and the BEP20 USDC. So any of these you have actually chosen, all you have to do is to tap on it, and it's going to bring you over to an interface where you can actually copy the wallet address. Then come down right here and read a warm reminder for recharging on your account. Here it says, "Hello dear users, to ensure safety of your funds and the smooth recharge, please pay attention to the following methods." Just go through all this to understand how the recharge works. So once you've copied the wallet address, just fund in the actual amounts you want to use to purchase right on this platform. Now, after your funding, the next thing you want to do is to come right here and select which of these segments you want to use to generate a rebate income for yourself. Then click to unlock, and automatically your account will be unlocked for this package. Now, what you just want to do daily is to come down to where it says quantify, and you need to start quantifying for the day. Now you have seen mine. I've actually gotten a profit of 2.25 USDT, which I showed you the withdrawal proof. So what you just have to do is to click to start quantify, and you'll be getting a generated income every single day for yourself. You can go on and read more details of the particular segments you got and know the duration of when it's going to expire. Now, there's an additional income you can generate on your account. When you come over to invite friends, you can actually see that you can affiliate this program and get some commission for yourself also. So that's all about this platform. You can use the link below the description or the pinned comment section, set up an account for yourself and start leveraging this platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. See you on my next video and keep winning.